So today we'll discuss how to create a template. Okay. So to create a template, use this highlighter. Yeah. So you can go to the model. Similar way, if you want to create a template, you can go to new. Okay. Similar same thing you can do. Browse option. Is it recording? Yeah. Browse option. Go to your location where you kept the template file. Default template. And here create a new project or template. We are creating a project template. Okay. So in that case, previously yesterday we done this one, right? If you remember, we have created this project, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now we are creating template. So create this. Click OK. Okay. So here one new template is open. If you want to create that template and save it, you can do it. Okay. Here, if I save this as, it will be which format? .rt. Right? I'll just show you. Yeah, here if I go for the save as template, you can see the extension RT, right?
Yes.
Okay, for example, we'll save this. Any location you can give. For the time being, I'm just saving in the desktop. Okay, project template. For example, we are doing HCL project, and this will be used in all the HCL project. So, project HCL template I'll create. Right. So what we will do here? So all those things what we learned. Okay, so whenever you are creating a template, what all the things you need to do? First is all the mechanical settings you need to do, and which size you don't want to see, all those things. For example, up to here, up to 110, 125, you don't want to see anything. So this we will use it. Okay. Similarly, overall anything you don't want to see, all those things you can hide it as per your requirement. Pipe size also similarly, which you don't want to see. I'll start with 25 for example. So I'll off everything. Right? Fluid water temperature settings and all, if required you can change it as per your requirement, right? And the slope, any new slope you want to add, this is for plumbing. If any new slope you want to add, for example, you can use it 0%. Okay, I'll add for example 0.667%, one additional slope. I can create that, right? It is not created, so I have created this. Okay, similarly some units also you need to set. What is the command for unit? UN. Okay. For example, I'll go electrical or HVAC. Certain flow, airflow, I'll change for CFM. Okay. Density, all the things, let it be same. Heat gain, watt. Heat gain, for example, if I want to change BTU per hour, I can change for BTU per hour. All those things as per your requirement, you change it. Second, piping, something you want to change flow, LPM, I'll do liters per minute. Okay. And slope, I'll do in percentage or 1:1 ratio. That also I can create. Okay, this is one type of units under mechanical setting we have done. And certain system type, go to project browser. and this family. Duct system are there, right? Here supply, exhaust, return, all these things is there. Duct, we have different type of rectangular ducts and all those things, fittings, it is available. And for the pipes, if any pipe system I need to add, okay, firefighting already it is there. Wait, for example, here sanitary is there, vent is there. I want to add another one system. I can do it, duplicate that and rename it. I'll just rename it as waste pipe. Are you aware of plumbing, anything?
No, sir. General idea.
Hello?
Sir.
Navin, I can't hear you. Oh, just a minute. Yeah.
Sir, basic knowledge.
Okay, fine. So here we have created one piping system, just like for ducting we have supply, return, exhaust. Okay. So here also one piping system we have added here.
Okay.
Right. And this one I'll save. Okay. I'll save and I'll close this file. Now whenever you open a new project, you can browse and directly go to this template file and you can open. And now I'll go for the project. Template I have created, same template I'll use for all the projects. Right? Same template, whichever we have created now, I am opening now. So click OK. Yeah. So this is created, and same thing we can see what all we have done. It is updated here. Mechanical setting, rectangular. You see these all are off. Similarly for pipe, what all the things we have done, updated. And here we have created waste pipe. It is created. Just give me. Yeah, Navin. You can see here the pipe system, what all we have added, it is updated here, right? Even units also you can check. UN and for HVAC we have updated CFM. It is updated CFM, and heat load BTU per hour we have done, that also updated, right? So you can save this template and you can use for your multiple project, right?
Okay.
So now you understand what is the use of this template and how to use this, right?
Sir.
Fine. Up to here you are clear, right? Let me open.
Yes, sir.
Now, how to start a project? Okay. New project templater, browse and system default. Generally we will take system default, or if you have anything you can use it. Two options. Just now we have created one template. You can use that template.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
You know how to create that, right?
Okay.
So here go to file again. It will take some time. If you click file option, it is taking a lot of time. I don't know why. Yes. So now I'll just show you new, go to project. Okay, here we have selected yesterday you have selected system default. Okay, and today we have selected template. So anything you can select. Okay, if you want to create your own template, you can create and use it, or you can use the system default. Okay. Right. So anything, if you click that, you can get it, or you can go to the location where you have kept and you can use the system default also. That is also correct. And here project, we are not creating the template, we are creating the project. So okay, you understand, right, the difference between all those things?
Yes.
Project, template, understanding this is very, very important.
Okay.
Right? So I think this is clear. This step is clear. New project, browse option, system default. Now this is done. Now very, very important concept is how to add the structural architect file and structural file. So whenever you model, okay, you will model something similarly in CAD how you do it, or architect will give their file. On top of that, you will draw your MEP services, right?
Yes.
Similar way here, we need to add a link architect file, architect model. So how to do that? So here, go to insert tab. Here insert tab is there. Go to insert tab, link Revit,
Okay.
link Revit. And here you can see what is the location of that. You give the location where you kept the project. Okay, I have kept the project here. So this is our project, and whenever you open this project will be in .rvt extension, and here position will be, lot of other option will be there, center to center, horizon to horizon, all those things we'll discuss later. For the time being, for MEP we'll use horizon to horizon. Okay, internal horizon to internal horizon. Then open. It will take to convert from 16 to 23. It will take few seconds. Yeah, so now I have opened the architect file. Okay, I have linked the architect file. How to do that? Go to insert tab, link Revit, go to the location and do horizon to horizon. Same thing it is mentioned here. Insert tab, link Revit, file path, link horizon to horizon. Right? Similarly, architect file and structural file we need to link it. Similar steps we need to follow for the structural. Right? Now, once you have linked, you need to verify. Okay, whether the link is complete or not. So to verify that, go to the project browser. Under project browser, this Revit link is there, plus symbol. Here you can see project is linked. This is one way.
Okay.
Second way is go to manage tab, manage link, click this. Here you can see loaded. So two ways you can verify the Revit link is any model is linked to your file or not. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
I am going very slow and step by step. Okay. So no need to get panic. Once it is done, so next is copy monitor. What is the use of copy monitor? For example, architect will have the flows, right? So same flows we will copy in our MEP model. So how to do that? Go to any of the elevation. Here you can see whenever you open this, under mechanical we will have HVAC. Under HVAC you will have floor plan, ceiling plan, 3D view, elevation. Anything under mechanical is there. Similarly for plumbing also you will have same things, floor plan, 3D views, elevation. Similarly for electrical you have. Go to any of the elevation. Okay. For example, I'll go to the north elevation. Or any east. Okay, east elevation I'll go. Here you can see these are your levels. Levels means your floor, basement, ground, first, second, fourth, fifth. These are the levels, right? Which is there in the architect model. Now what we have to do? We have to copy this model levels to our MEP model, right?
Okay.
So here these are the two default one which is there. You can see level 1 and level 2. For the time being you can delete the level. If you delete the levels here you can see this will be deleted for all. Here this also will be deleted. I'll do delete. I'll click. You can see here all are 1 right? So those are default one. This Revit, when you install Revit you'll have this default file. So those levels are not required for us. Okay, so our main intention is to copy the levels and grid from the architect file, right? So now what we have to do, we have to copy monitor. What you have to copy monitor? The levels and grid, right? So what you have to do, go to collaborate tab. Okay, these are the tab. Inside collaborate tab, go to copy monitor drop down, select link. Okay, here pre-selection yesterday we have done green color. I'm not selected, pre-select. If I click, it will be blue, right? Then go to copy, here multiple, okay, and I'll select everything, okay, and here filter, I'll check none. Only I will do floors and levels and grids. I'll copy only levels and grid. Okay. Now I'll two finishes there. Here is one finish, another finish is here. So 2 times finish you have to do. First finish is this. If I click this finish, after few seconds, it will show this type of symbol. If this type of symbol comes, then your copy monitoring things are done. Let me show you. Click finish. You can see this symbol. So this is done, right? Now again we need to give finish. So what you have to do, you have to go inside this copy monitor, click that. Here another finish is there. Click finish. Done. So here you can see all the levels and all the things are copied here. Can you see this? Getting it?
Yes, sir.
This was architect and this was MEP. So we have copied all the levels, right? The same thing mentioned in the note. Collaborate tab, any elevation you can go east elevation, copy monitor, select link, copy monitor, multiple, finish, finish. What all I've shown, it is mentioned in the notes here as well. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is template creation. I'll show you. Before that, I'll just show you how to do copy floor levels, all the floor. So here a lot of other floors are there, right? Just now we have created up to 5th floors are there, but in our floor plan we have only one floor plan, which is by default, again by default. So we have to copy the floor plan. So how to do that? Go to the view tab. Okay, here option will be there, plan view, drop down, floor plan. Okay, and you need to select all these levels. I need to shift tab, all will be selected, and if I click OK, here you can see all the levels will be copied here. Okay, you can see here it will be copied, right? So now I can go to the HVAC. This is the ground floor, basement, ground floor, first floor, second floor. You can see the changes, right? Similarly for all other service we have to do. So now plumbing we will do, for example, same view, inside view, floor plan, plan view, floor plan. Here it is not showing. So what you have to do, click this, untick this, it will show. Now if I click OK, what will happen? Again it will created here. Why? Because mechanical is by default it is created template. So here go to the this one and change plumbing template. Okay, now apply. Okay, now if I click, you will get all the floor plans copied in the plumbing. Now you click OK, you see all the floor plans copied in the plumbing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Similar way we need to do for the electrical. Drop down floor. Now again we need to go for the edit. Here instead of plumbing we'll go for electrical plan. Okay, apply. Okay, here it is not visible, just tick this, you'll find it. Next, shift tab, click the end one, all will be selected. Now okay, now you can see it here. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Same thing is mentioned here. Go view, plan view, floor plan, and you can copy the floor plan, right? Regarding template, we will discuss in the next session how to create the template. What is the use of template in the sense, for example, here we have plumbing, right? Plumbing is there. I want to create a firefighting. So how to create a firefighting on the same thing and all. Those things we will discuss.
So initially create a project file.
Yeah, we have created. Now this is the project file.
Okay.
We are doing a live project now. Okay, so if I go to floor plan or I go to 3D view, you can see complete one why this thing is there. Okay,
Okay.
you can, if you want to go to anything, and you can go and check all the flow levels. If I draw anything here, duct for example, it will show some error, I know. Okay, it is in plumbing, we are doing it. Initially some error it will show. I'll just tell you how to do that. Yeah, you can see now it is showing. So this duct we have created, right? So I can see this 3D view also. This is scope box, you can see. This is the duct we have done. Now it is on level 0 level, because here you can see the elevation it is given here. 1 second. You need to select that and go to the levels. You can see the levels, it is mentioned somewhere. Okay, so this is the level. At this level it is created. You can see, rotate, all those things, you can do it. Okay, what is the size of duct? If you click that, go to the properties, you can find out all the information about the ducts, which type of duct, what is the level, all the information you can find it. This is the next step. We'll do a project. We are doing a project now. So we have copied all the flow plans and all those things in the project browser. Project browser is something you're just like a folder creation. We do it, no? Documentation. This is the documentation part. We are doing the documentation part. Once we have created all this, then we can go to each levels. We will do the modeling, duct routing and all those things. Duct routings like this, we will do it. And all this, after this, we'll create a schedule.